In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Microsoft To Do app not responding error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so if you're encountering this while trying to open your Microsoft To Do app or when you're just using your phone, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, go to Settings and then go to Apps. Under Apps, look for the option called Manage Apps or All Apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for To Do. Tap on it to open and now go to For Stop App and OK. Clear data and clear cache. OK. And finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone, and before you open your app, check and ensure that you are not using any VPN or any security app on your smartphone, as this might be the reason for your problem, and install them to fix this. But should this not work for you, then go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for Microsoft To Do. Check if we have any update your app to the latest version to fix this. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.